here. Going into the laundry room, also that stairs, it's just going to open this up and put uniformity all together. Downstairs in this bedroom, we can go, sorry, there's no light. I'll try and open this up. We can go carpet. So carpet, okay, so there we go. I was going to say, we need to replace this. No, we don't have to. So carpet can go down here. This will be the same carpet as we install over in the formal living room. And then this will be the ceramic that goes into this bathroom. This bathroom ceramic does need to get jackhammered up. This has got to get removed. You can see we've got some problems there anyways. We'll probably need to do a new toilet. Hello! Oh. We've got a white cabinet already. We'll do the granite countertop here. This will all get painted. We'll do a new light fixture there. We will fix up this grouting that's all through this shower. And I believe the shower door actually opens and closes quite nicely. So this will be just more of a cleanup than anything else. This will need to get replaced with a new blind.
And remove that thing.
Actually, we can just install a new one.
Okay.
I like having that chain link fence, that chain link lock, because this is an exterior door in.
Okay.
So we'll just make sure we put a nice one there that's not rusted up.
Okay.
So this is our downstairs. And there looks to be a light fixture that might need to get, well, I think with the paint it should be okay, but that needs to get cosmetically looking a little bit better. And then we've got our door that will get painted. This can be taken off.
Okay.
This I don't like because that could accidentally lock people out and then it becomes an issue with busting down the door frame. So that can be removed. In this garage here, I don't really care. It doesn't need to be painted. It can be power washed so that we've got all this, whatever can get cleaned up, gets cleaned up. We will remove the soft water system so we don't have any possible leak of any kind, so that soft water system's gone. And other than that, the garage itself is pretty easy. Well, there is a door behind there, so I just want to make sure that we secure that door. I'm not sure how it's secured right now. We just want to make sure that that gets a nice deadbolt on it, maybe even a chain link on that one, since that's, again, an exterior door into the property.
Thank you.
The washer dryer should be replaced. This is much too old for the caliber of home we're looking for. Okay, I just want to make sure there was a vent. And then we've got a slop sink back here, which is ideal. And what's really cool is the cabinets are already white. So by doing the white through the rest of the house, we don't even have to worry about this. So it's all going to come together really nicely. Now we will head on to the upstairs. Again, this carpet will be the same carpet that is in that living room there. We will get nice big baseboards all along here that will look super good. As we come up here, you can just imagine the soft tan walls, all of this being white, doors and door frames being white, so that'll be awesome. In this master bedroom, we can leave that ceiling fan. My biggest issue is behind this window, we have a little bit of an arch window. The only way we can actually create complete darkness, which you're going to want to give the tenants that in their master, is to take the blinds up to the top of that window, which is going to look a little odd, and then drape them down. So unfortunately, that's the only thing we can really do, because we have no way of, I don't want to spend the money on doing a custom arch. So that's just going to have to be something that we have a very large custom blind for this particular window. These ones are easy, and then everywhere else in the house are pretty easy as well. We'll have carpet in here that will be the same as what's downstairs. We will not need to remove this ceramic tile. So we can leave this ceramic tile. We will get the new carpet in both these closets. As you come up through here, we're going to have John really clean this tub up so it looks super fresh. We'll have that new coat of paint and any repair along there. We'll put a new blind in there. And then here in this shower, we'll get all of this super clean. And one of the things I love is this glass block. So in the inspection report, I understand there's some faucets that need to be replaced anyways. So any faucet that needs to be replaced, we'll be dealing with and we'll be installing good faucets. We'll put new granite counters, the same granite that we did downstairs in the kitchen, we'll do right here. We'll paint these so it's got uniformity through the kitchen, new sinks, and I think you're gonna need to do new faucets because some of them aren't working. All new bulbs that match, and then this is where it gets tricky. So at one point there was a leak here. Those baseboards have got to get either replaced or super cleaned up. I do not want to see any evidence of any leak in here at all. So grout needs to be cleaned, maybe a new toilet so that there's a new seal. Whatever needs to be done, this particular toilet area room needs to look super fresh, super clean. So we can leave all the flooring, so the majority of the cost is going to be in the countertops and just the painting of the cabinets as far as the master bathroom. These things will get removed from any door. We do not need them. In all our secondary bedrooms, they're pretty plain. I mean, we like the ceiling fan that's there. We'll put up some blinds here. We'll make sure that closet doors are sliding and that they're painted and look great. Great size rooms though, so no issues in here. Smoke detectors do look a little older. I would recommend replacing them. Even if it's just a smoke detector battery, we want to make sure that we're better safe than sorry. This is a linen closet that has a neat feature. This is actually a laundry chute. So that's going to be great for a little family that lives in here. This bedroom is really a nice size bedroom. So again, we'll do the blinds on all these windows. We can leave that ceiling fan as long as it's working. And then we'll put the new carpet in here with the new baseboards and all the new paint. And notice this is a double door entry as well, so super sweet. Here is your smaller of the bedrooms on the upstairs. We did check this window. This is just a box window, so we do not need to worry about any arch on this. So at this point right now, this is just probably more of a custom, larger blinds in here. Again, baseboards, new carpet, new paint, smoke detectors since that one's missing. And then this is our guest bathroom. Again, we can leave this ceramic flooring, which is going to help in cost. We need to do new granite countertop. We need to paint these. We need to add new sinks. That bar is okay. We just need to make sure all of those match accordingly. I'm assuming this toilet is good. The inspection will tell you that. In here, this just needs a good caulking. We'll get rid of this shower curtain and we'll put up another towel bar that needs to go behind that's missing. But other than that, this bathroom is not bad. Once it gets the paint and the caulking and the cleanup, it should be good. Now we're going to venture to the backyard. So the backyard does need work. And the reason we have to do a finished backyard is because the quality of tenant that is going to move into this neighborhood is not going to put up with a backyard that doesn't look good. They want to at least have something that is somewhat finished. It doesn't have to be, the Mirage Oasis, but it's got to be something. So when we step out here, I'll try and give you what my vision would be. First off, there's some tint on this window that's got to get removed. So there's a razor blade tinting